Tonight we're having a home vlog.
Hey everybody, and welcome to a home vlog. So recently we went to the Blue Moose here in Pigeon Forge, and it was amazing. It blew us away. We had an appetizer there, and they were called Cheeseburger sticks.
Something like that.
And they were freaking amazing. And one of you, Michael, hello, actually wrote to us and let us know that he made some at home. So it inspired us to do the same thing. So we're gonna give that a go tonight, and I actually had some leftover potatoes from a friend visiting. We made breakfast, so I'm gonna attempt to make some wedges in the air fryer as well. So we'll see how it goes, so come along with us.
Let's do it.
Woo!
We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
Alright, so first things first, I heated up my skillet and I just put a little avocado oil down. And I'm going to do about 3 tablespoons of like finely minced onion. I use the sweet onion. And I measure with my heart, so I would say maybe like 3 tablespoons, but obviously use as much as you like. So I'm just going to saute the onions up a little bit, and then I'm going to throw in about a pound of ground beef. So I'm just browning up the meat with the onion until it gets brown, and we're going to drain it a little bit, and then I'll show you the rest of the ingredients we'll add. Alright, so now that we got it like nice and browned up, we're going to add some ingredients. I'm going to do a little bit of Lee and Erin, Worcestershire or whatever.
Worcestershire.
I know I'm not saying it properly. Maybe like a tablespoon of that. Then we're going to do a little garlic powder. Again, I measure with my heart. And some onion powder. And then just kind of cook that down a little bit.
Hello everybody, you haven't seen me yet. Hi.
Oh yeah, Kim's here.
I'm here too. I'm doing all the hard work.
Yeah. But yeah, so we're working on our dinner. It's starting to smell really good.
I hope it's good.
Yeah, we'll see.
We ain't got no recipe.
Yeah.
She was just winging it.
I was like, what do I have? And then like after the whole experience we talked about a Blue Moose, I was like, well, why not? Let's give it a go. So
Let's do it.
I'm excited. Scooping out the meats so I can mix it up with the rest of the ingredients, and then we can start making our taquitos. Does anybody want to say hi to the puppies? Say hi, Cody. Just over here being cute. Another one's over here. Say hi, Zachary. You being a good boy? Yeah? You want some cheese? Okay. These are their treats we have already cut up for them. You want some? Here's a good boy. You get good boy cheese. Zachary, you want some good boy cheese? There you go. You got cheese?
I do. I'm about to shred.
Because you're a little cheesy?
I'm a lot cheesy. I'm sure everybody can tell that by now.
Erin, did you get a sunburn when you were in Florida? You're peeling a little bit.
Yes, can you tell? I may or may have not have gone to the beach.
She went to the beach without me,
It was
and it was a beautiful day, and I'm jealous, and I didn't get to go to Florida.
You're a trooper, taking care of the pups. Cheese! Making it rain. And as we're gonna make our mixture for our taquitos. So we have the ground beef. I'm gonna do about maybe like 2 tablespoons of relish. I'm just gonna use what I have left. We're just using dill. You can use sweet, whatever you like. And then I'm gonna do like maybe like a,
Like not a lot of it?
yeah, Kim does not love mustard, so we're gonna do like a little bit of the juice. And then a couple tablespoons of ketchup. And you can use sugar-free or whatever. We're not behaving ourselves tonight, so I'm just using the rest of the regular one that we have. Yeah, just gonna mix that up.
Give it a little mix up.
A little stir.
Who's ready for Illumi Nights at Dollywood on Friday?
I'm so excited. We got a little sneak peek last time we went to Dollywood, but on Friday they're lighting all the lanterns and the pumpkins up at night. So we're really excited to see it, so stay tuned for that video.
We're gonna be there. If anybody wants to meet us at Dollywood on Friday.
Say hello. So like I said in the beginning of the video, we are attempting to make some potato wedges as well. So I've been soaking them in some cold water for about an hour. So that kind of helps with removing some of the starch.
Those are ice cubes.
Yeah, these are reused ice cubes. But soaking the raw potatoes helps remove some of the starch, and it when you're frying them, they won't stick together as much, and they'll be crispier. So it's definitely worth a step. But we'll see if it helps us today. Because again, this is going to be my first time in the air fryer. So now I'm just rinsing my wedges off.
Look like apples.
For real, I was just thinking that. We should make some caramel apples. So now I have my potato wedges rinsed and dried off. So I'm going to coat them in some garlic infused avocado oil.
I still think they look like apples.
They really do. And I'm going to sprinkle them with some of this garlic spread seasoning. I use it for a lot of things. It's great for you just want some like easy flavor. And we got it at Costco. So
Costco for the win.
Go ahead and cover these with that and toss them around, and then we're going to pop them in the air fryer.
Garlic parmesan apples.
Right? That'd be weird.
Just getting their potatoes. So one quick thing I want to chat about. One of our subscribers left a comment saying that somehow she was automatically unsubscribed to our channel, and that this was an issue that some of the other YouTubers are having as well. So we would appreciate it if y'all make sure and check that you are subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button.
Yes, we really appreciate it.
Thanks, guys. Woo! Here's the potatoes all mixed up.
I think they're pretty good coated for now.
Yep.
Like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm winging it, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna dump them. I have my air fryer, my preheating. I have it on the highest temp, which is 400. So I'm just gonna dump them in, and we'll see how it goes. We do have a smaller air fryer. I would like to get a bigger one, actually, eventually, because I use it so much. So I'm gonna end up probably doing a couple batches of the potatoes. So I'm just gonna get one layer going on, and then we'll see what happens. So we are coming up on almost 1 year of living full-time in Lucy. So we were thinking maybe we could do a video where we answer some of your questions. So I mean, go ahead and leave in the comments in this video if you'd like. We also have our Instagram page, and I can put in something up there so if you have any other questions, if that's easier for you, and see what you guys want to know, and we'll do our best to answer all your curiosities.
Lots of people leave comments, do a Q&A, we want to know more about you, blah blah blah.
Yeah, if anything, just let us know if that's something you're interested in. And like I said, we're coming up on our 1 year, so I think that would be something fun to do with you guys.
I'm down.
Cody, you down?
You down, baby?
Zachary, you down?
You have any questions about Cody? Cody will be 12 next March, and he is an American Bulldog in a lab mix.
And he's gorgeous.
And he's a gorgeous model. And Zachary is a French Bulldog in a boxer mix, and he is 10.
Yes.
Zachary, are you okay? He's sleepy. Erin!
Yeah, man.
You want to play Mario Party?
Yes. We can't. That's perfect because I can chime in while I'm cooking. So I'm down. Like Funky Town.
Alright, I'll set it up.
Let's do it. All right, Kim is Bowser.
Mario Party, you're going down, Erin.
Probably. I'm not great at it. I'm not great at video games. I came from the age of Atari, so if that gives my age away. Alright, we're playing another mini game.
I'm Bowser, Erin's Boo.
Start.
You gotta dodge these football guys. Oh, you knocked me into him.
Oh no! Oh, my time is, I feel it.
Oh!
You're the wiener!
I am the winner!
You're amazing. Hey lady, you're going down like a sweet muffin.
You're gonna lose.
Gotta do a little smack talk. So I've made a couple attempts at rolling these up. I tried to do like taquito style, but the meat was falling out, so they're kind of more like egg rolls, which is how they were actually at the Blue Moose that we had these. So these are the attempts I've made already, but I want to kind of show you what I did. These
Erin made some with tomatoes in them for her.
Yes, I had to make some of those for herself.
I don't like tomatoes.
But we're using the low carb wraps because that's what we have normally.
Because we do keto at home.
Yeah, so we're gonna do some meat, our meat mixture, and then some of the shredded cheddar that I did freshly. And then this one's for me, so I'm gonna do some tomatoes. And then I just kind of try to like pack it on like a present. I don't know. I'm not really
like a burrito.
I've never been good at burrito rolling, so anyway, this is my attempt.
Hopefully they stay together when you cook it.
And then I'm just gonna fry them in some butter in the skillet that we use to cook meat in. So one less dish I have to wash. So I melted some butter in my heated skillet that I already used to cook the meat, and then I'm just putting all of our little cheeseburger, whatever you want to call them, seam side down. And we're gonna fry those up until they get crispy on all the edges. And yeah, let me give you a glimpse at our wedges that we finished up in the air fryer.
Yummy.
They look good. So I've just slowly been turning them just to kind of get them crisp all the way around. And I'm gonna reheat our fries, and then we'll be eating shortly. I hope they're good. I'm excited. All right, I just took them out of the oil. I'm gonna cut into these bad boys and see what it looks like. Oh, look at the grease dripping.
Oh my.
Oh my god. I'm pretty excited.
Yummy.
They look, I mean, really, can you go wrong with like
meat and cheese?
Exactly. Like,
we don't have the queso to dip it in though.
Yeah, that part sucks, but I mean, I love ketchup and
we have ranch.
Exactly.
Ranch. I'm a ranch girl.
Yeah. And I usually make ranch, and I actually made it recently and it came out really good. So
Yes.
yummy. All right, so this is what our plate looks like. I made a little I don't know what you'd call it. I guess like a Tunyon sauce. I just mixed some ketchup, mayo,
Horseradish?
paprika, horseradish, onion powder, and garlic powder. And I want to dip my wedges in that. And then there's the ranch that I made. You ready to try it?
I'm so ready.
Here we go.
Oops. I lost some meat.
Yummy.
Delicious.
No? Did
I
you?
lost some more meat.
Maybe we should scoop like the dip into it. And that's what we did at the restaurant too.
Mm-hmm.
Did you try a wedge yet?
I did.
You like them?
I know they're good.
Yeah.
Got a little crunch on the outside.
Yeah.
Really good.
Awesome. I'm glad they came out yummy.
Good job.
Thanks. Alright, I'm giving it a go. I'm gonna do the ranch on it.
You didn't even use the sauce you made?
Wow. No, I made a sauce for potatoes.
Oh. It's good, right?
Mm-hmm. I could put more cheese though.
You could always put more cheese.
Yeah, for real. That's one thing I would change, I think.
Or if we had cheese to dip it in.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, that was disgusting.
It came out really good. I'm happy.
Yeah.
We really enjoyed it.
How long did you cook everything for?
So the potatoes, I probably did in the air fryer maybe like a total of 20 minutes. To kind of toss them, I would do maybe 5 minutes, toss them, 5 minutes, toss them until they get like as done as you like.
I like them
you
crispy.
coat them really well with oil too before you put it in the air fryer. And then the taquitos, once I kind of just like roll them all and put them in the oil, maybe like 8 minutes all together, if that. Just kind of cook them to as golden or crispy as you want, you know. But it came out really good. I'm excited.
Thanks for dinner, Erin.
You're welcome.
We both lost, Erin. We're losers.
We lost the computer.
We stink.
What the heck? Thank you for hanging out with us tonight. Dinner turned out great. I'm so excited about it. I'll
It was fantastic.
definitely make both of those again. The dogs had a good time, relaxing.
Sleepy babies.
Yeah. They're lazy. But yeah, we appreciate you guys hanging out with us. And if you have any questions about anything I made tonight, just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to get back to you.
Yeah, and answer do you have any questions for our Q&A video?
Yeah. We want to know if you're interested in that or what you want to know. So, like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment again. Share if you'd like. And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye. Say goodnight.